Hi friends, welcome to VCreation Technologies. Today in this video we are going to discuss about create a new unique identifier value in C#. So what do you mean by unique identifier? So unique identifier is nothing but about a unique value which contains like anything like you can say the character from A to Z, numbers from 0 to 9, etc. And this is like a unique value, and every time you will just create a unique value in that. So for this we will just use a GUID. So GUID is nothing but about a structure, and by using that structure we will just create our new unique identifier. So let me just quickly move to Visual Studio to explain you with an example. So here first let me take a variable like unique value, and after that I will just use GUID. So if I hover the mouse over the GUID, then you can see this is actually a structure. Okay, and if I press dot, then you can see this is the new GUID, and let me use this new GUID method, and which will just return me a completely unique value. So let me just print this unique value into our output. So now if I run the application, so in the output window you can see here like this is a completely unique value, and which contains the numbers from 0 to 9 and the alphabet like A to Z, everything is there. Now let me just stop this one and rerun it again. So now if I rerun it, then you can see a different unique value. So now you can see now it is showing a different unique value. Now if I stop it again and run it again, then also you will see a different value. Yeah. So in the output window you can see it. This GUID is nothing but about creating a particular unique value into our applications. So like in many times we just want to use, in many of the scenarios like we need some of the unique values where we can store some of the values in it, and this unique values can be anything. And by using this GUID.new GUID, it is basically a alphanumeric, which means it can take numbers as well as the alphabets, and it will create a completely unique value. And like suppose in case of your project, if you require to create a unique value and which must be unique in all the cases, then you can use this GUID.new GUID, and by using which you can set this unique value as a unique to our systems. So this is all about our today's videos. Thank you.